Google Veo 3 versus Sora for AI video creation. Here's exactly how they stack up so you can pick the right tool for your projects. Veo 3 is Google's top-tier multimodal AI video model built into their Flow interface and Gemini Ultra subscription. It delivers cinematic 4K quality clips up to 8 seconds with synchronized audio, lip sync, physics realism, and native dialogue generation, all in one click. Internal benchmarks show Veo 3 significantly outperforms Sora on audio-video sync, 81% versus Sora's much lower rate. Realism and fidelity, ideal if you want high production value, full sound inclusion, and lifelike visuals. Sora from OpenAI specializes in longer duration videos up to 60 seconds in 1080 pixel resolution. It offers deeper narrative continuity and scene complexity, but it doesn't include any audio. You'll need to sync or add it manually. It's also more affordable, starting at around $20 a month with Pro access. So, when to choose what? Use Veo 3 if you want top-tier quality, 4K visuals, built-in sound and dialogue, smooth physics, and polished cinematic output. Choose Sora if your priority is longer clips, creative flexibility, and budget-friendly options. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.